Teleprompter, go or no go? Hi everyone! So it's been a week or weeks since I posted something last time on my Instagram account because I have been busy working on my other social media platforms meanwhile. I'm a big believer of getting yourself out there as much as you can in order to grow your audience and therefore later on your customers too. So as some of you know, then I've been super focused on working on my Instagram account first, then later on my podcast, and now I'm currently working on my YouTube channel, as you can tell. In a few weeks, I'll be able to continue my focus back in a balanced way on all of my different social media platforms at the same time, instead of only focusing on really building one platform at the time. So I have a few thoughts on the teleprompter theme, as you can tell from the picture. So I've tried a few different teleprompters and I've also bought one. I've watched many YouTubes about the best one and also downloaded and bought the best one. But don't do that. No matter how good you are at it, then my opinion is that it's not worth the time trying to be great at it, because your audience will be able to tell that you're using a teleprompter. Your eyes will be reading, if you know what I mean, even if the text is placed millimeters from the camera lens or even above it or even on top of it. You can also tell from the way that you present your script. It will sound like you're reading and your audience won't connect as much with it. Instead, try to see if you can memorize your script instead. I have made an Instagram post and a YouTube video about how you can do that in a great way. Enjoy and good luck on your journey on producing amazing content. So I really hope that this video added some value to you, and I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you have any further questions on this, then please don't hesitate to comment below. See you in the next